Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload, delete videos to Pinterest mobile. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's move straight into the video. Open your Pinterest app, which can be installed through App Store. To upload a video to your account, first of all, you have to have a business account. I have a business account, so I can do it. Now, to upload a video, on the bottom middle side, you can see a plus sign. Tap on that plus sign and tap on pin. Here you cannot see any of your videos. To upload videos, you have to change the location, which can be changed from on the top right side. You can see three dots. Tap on settings, then tap on account settings. Here you can change location, you can change your email, password. Now to change location, tap on country region, which is on third option. Then you have to choose United States here. Okay, now go back. Once you have done that, close your app for 2 to 3 minutes, then reopen it. Now when you tap on the middle plus sign, you'll see different things like idea pin, board, add. Now simply tap on pin. Now finally, you'll be able to see videos from your gallery. Now tap on any videos that you like to upload. I'm choosing this, and then tap on next. Select your cover for the video, then add title, description as you like, then tap on next again. You can search tag here, then tap on next again. Now tap on where you want to save the videos on. I'd like to save it on profile. Now you can see the video is uploaded right here. To delete the video, simply keep on pressing the video, and while you're pressing, slide to this pencil-like icon, then leave it. Now here, go down, tap on delete this pin, then tap on delete. And this is how you upload and delete videos in Pinterest through mobile. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.